I'm Dwight.
I'm Shauna.
And welcome to our channel. If you like what you see here and you want to see more travel videos, please hit that like button and subscribe.
Ding ding.
And the little bell for notifications. All right, Shauna, where are we roaming to today?
We are headed to Dayton, Ohio for the Dayton Air Show, and it's supposed to be spectacular, and we're going to go partake in the festivity.
What do you expect today?
Lots of sunshine, lots of food and fellowship with our crew.
We got the family in the car ready to go.
My mom, my aunt, my sister, and my nephew.
All right. All right. Sounds great. Okay, we're here. We're grabbing our chairs. Lots of people. Here we go. We are in the air show now. There's Shauna.
That's a free spin ticket for you.
We're heading to the bathrooms first.
Right
there they are, bathrooms. That's the first stop today. Hey, baby, what's going on here? Tell me what's going on.
We are at the Dayton Air Show, and we are headed to try and find a place to plant our butts.
What do you want to see today?
The Thunderbirds.
Yeah?
Thunderbirds, and I'd like to see the flyover of the F-16.
Sounds good. All right. Hey, baby. Oh, Shauna is now ready to be a helicopter attack pilot. What do you think? Looks like the Frogger from GTA 5. I'll be damned. Okay, so we have found our spot in a sea of people. We got some pretty good seats, so that's all right. We got Shauna's mom, Shauna's aunt, Shauna's sister, and Shauna's nephew Ryan with us today.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
watching every motion in my foolish lover's game.